up, beautiful people? Thanks for tuning in. I appreciate you. You know I do. Welcome back for another video, my girl. And guys, what's up, y'all? So in today's video, what I'll be using today is African Pride's Moisture Miracle Collection. If you don't know me, I love the Moisture Miracle Aloe and Coconut Water Detangle and Condition Pre-Shampoo. This pre-shampoo has a special touch, okay? It is like one of my favorites, especially when my hair is just super tangled and I'm looking like somebody help. And that's where this comes into play. And so if you haven't already, you already gotta check this out. I know we just got the video started, but I just wanna make sure I at least call that one out, okay? It's been saving my curls. I've been using a lot lately, which is their honey and coconut oil Nourish and Shine shampoo. And that has been so good. It's just so gentle on my hair. I can wash my hair twice. My hair still feels good, but yet it's cleansed. Like, it all matters. And I'm here to talk about the newest addition. The Honey, Chocolate, and Coconut Oil Repair and Replenish Conditioner. I just want to smell this just because we starting out. Whoa, it came right out. This thing was ready. It's like, what up, Nate? Wow. Ooh, it's so creamy looking. Y'all want to see it? Okay. Wow, so creamy. I'm just put it back here. We don't waste product. We're gonna use all these products today in my hair to go ahead and make a poppin', twist, and curl. Y'all excited? I'm excited. But all right, so let's get this video started. Girl, let's get it, let's get it, let's get it. As I mentioned earlier, I do like how gentle this is on my hair, and I can legit get 2 to 3 washes and hair is cleansed, hair is not stripped, hair is still moisturized, like so good. All right, so this product gently cleanses, removes dirt and buildup from the hair without stripping the hair of its natural oils, using a blend of honey and coconut oil to deeply penetrate and hydrate natural coils and curls, leaving the hair soft, nourished, and with natural shine. Hair is looking good. What do you mean? After shampooing it. This is why it's my legit go-to when I just have to shampoo my hair randomly throughout the week. So now we're gonna use their new and improved Moisture Miracle Honey, Chocolate, and Coconut Oil Repair and Replenish Conditioner. This moisture restoring blend uses natural conditioning benefits of honey and coconut oil with the restorative benefits of chocolate, the cacao, to transform dry coils and curls, leaving them hydrated and nourished. And the benefits of honey is that it naturally retains moisture and adds shine. So the benefits of coconut oil: it deeply conditions, hydrates, and helps to repair the hair. Chocolate restores and prevents damage and helps promote hair growth. Super soft on my hair, like this feels good. Put this on for 15 minutes, well 10 to 15 minutes like it says, and I'll be back. The hair is looking good. This is like one of the really good collections that was released in the hair care world. If y'all agree with me, let me know down below. So that's why I'm super excited to even be able to collaborate with them on a sponsored video, just because it's like a really good line and a line that I like, you know? One of the good lines out there, you know? On to the styling. So I'm going to be using white perm rods, okay? Here I have, just for extra little moisture for the people, this is their Moisture Miracle Coconut Milk and Honey Hydrate and Shine Leave-In Conditioner. Shake to mix, you guys. Shake it on up. Oh, wait a minute, shake it. Wait a minute, shake it. Lightweight blend of hydrating coconut milk and honey replenishes moisture, adds shine, and softens, leaving hair manageable and naturally defined. So coconut milk helps with replenishing moisture, naturally softens and detangles the hair. Honey, as we mentioned earlier, naturally retains moisture and adds shine. Oh, this smells good. Ooh. Ooh. I've never used this before. Ooh, this smells good. I should not be that excited. So this is obviously, you know, it's gonna be super lightweight on my texture, but just something nice and lightweight to add before we put the cream in. So the styling product that I have that's gonna bring this look all together and gonna help me get my curls up pop, pop, pop. My sis, and sirs. It's gonna be African Pride Moisture Miracle Shea Butter and Flaxseed Oil Moisture and Define Curling Cream. Alright, so this versatile curling cream blends shea butter and flaxseed oil to provide deep moisture, lasting definition, and radiant shine, leaving coily and curly style smooth and bouncy with soft hold. But yeah, so nice and creamy. I got y'all nervous just a little bit. Yeah. But yeah, so nice and creamy. I like the consistency of it. So we're gonna grab that. Yo, my curls have been super tight lately, which is so great because it means they're doing well. All right, so when it comes to a twisting curl, I try to make sure my sections are not too big. For one, because especially depending on the size rod that you are using, you don't want to have too much hair on that rod so that for one, it doesn't dry evenly, and also it just takes too long to dry. We don't want to be here all day, do we? We don't. So if you want to use a coconut milk and honey hydrate and shine leave-in conditioner per section, like per big section like this, you can too, just to add some more if you want to. Also because it just smells so good. Oh, got my, take my time, gotta take my time. Put it through all the section. Then we're going to 2-strand twist. Far down as you want. That's the main key about perm rod sets. Anytime you're using a perm rod, like keep that hair smooth, okay? Go ahead and smooth that on out and then add the rod. Yeah, I'm just dripping, okay? Smooth that on out. Twist a little bit more. Then we're gonna stop, leaving about that much hair out. Smooth it. Add my rod. Really make sure you're tucking those ends first and then just go up the rod. I know y'all like when my curls pop, so I'm gonna just show y'all because it's already popping. But then it pops with the product. I know y'all wanna see. Yeah, so if I feel like I added too much product, I'll just go here and use the towel to just like blot it out. Or if you have a microfiber towel, you can use it. So we are done with styling my hair. This is what your girl is looking like. And so now I have to sit on the dryer. Typically for a style like this, I sit on the dryer for about an hour. I have a bonnet dryer. Is it near me? Use a bonnet dryer like this. It's old, y'all. So, but yeah, bonnet dryer. So I'll end up sitting under this for about an hour. So if you don't know if your hair is dry by the time you hit an hour under this dryer, go ahead and test a piece of hair. I would say go ahead and test the back, and then you can test one in the front because you don't know if the air kind of like reached the front or not. But I would say once you take it down, don't start separating. You're just unraveling it like this. going like this, and you just want to feel right here if it's dry or not, okay? We do not want to take it all the way down, okay? Here it's fully dry, and now we're gonna take it down. I'm excited for the curls to pop, pop, pop for y'all, you know? So I sat under dry for about an hour, 15 minutes. I missed another one. Let me check my whole head. Okay. So I'm gonna grab African Pride Moisture Miracle Castor, Grapeseed, Argan, Coconut, and Olive Oil Strength and Protect 5 Essentials Oil, okay, with vitamin E. It seals in moisture, adds shine to your curls and coils. Y'all know this one smells good. It smells so good. Y'all know how I separate. I just put oil on the tip of my fingers. If you don't know if you're twirling in the right direction, basically if you twirl and it doesn't come out looking like this, then you went the wrong way. So you just end up twirling the opposite direction. That's the wrong way. You see how it popped back anyways? Like it didn't even want to come with me. So that's not what we're looking for. That's not the right curl. So I'm like, okay, let me twirl the other way and see if that's the way it's supposed to go. And it is. I'll show y'all one more time. That's me twirling the wrong way. And then this is me twirling the correct way. Y'all thought the curls weren't gonna pop? Poppity pop pop. So y'all, look at this hair. Popping or not? What do you mean, my girl? So make sure y'all check out African Pride Moisture Miracle Collection. If y'all want to learn a little bit more about it, go ahead and visit AfricanPrideHair.com. And I do like my results. Let me know if you end up trying this hairstyle with these products. If you find this video educating, entertaining, let your girl know by giving it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. Join my beautiful people crew. Woody woo. And as always, I thank you for watching, and I'll talk to you later. Peace. 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 Peace, peace, peace. Peace.